If you're experiencing server timeout issues in Fortnite, adjusting your settings can help improve your connection. Follow these steps to increase your server timeout. Step 1. Access game settings. Open Fortnite and navigate to the main menu. Click on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to access the settings menu. Step 2. Adjust network settings. In the settings menu, go to the game tab. Look for the network settings option, where you can find options related to your connection. Step 3. Change matchmaking region. Select the matchmaking region option. Choose a region that is closer to a location or one that has a low ping to improve connection stability. Step 4. Enable performance mode. While still in the settings, switch to performance mode under the video settings. This can help reduce lag and improve overall game performance, potentially reducing timeout issues. Step 5. Restart the game. After making the changes, exit the settings and restart Fortnite. This ensures that all adjustments take effect and can help establish a more stable connection. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce server timeout issues and enjoy a smoother gaming experience.